Alright, so where have I been at, and where have the Shelby boosted dark horse over here, SEMA build, and of course the crazy 2018 Mustang, where have we all been the last couple of months? Now the Shelby battery actually is completely drained out. We were actually just charging and going to see all the wires that we have right here. However, it wasn't even the Shelby's fault. The 18 has actually had a really bad power drain going on for the last several months. Now, honestly, I just kind of been putting on the back burner. I already gone through 2 batteries. We even had to throw the Shelby battery in one night just to get it home. And unfortunately, it drained it out. But today, we're actually gonna go ahead and be putting in this little piece right here, which is a very simple, pretty much kill switch, but really it's actually a battery disconnect switch, which is what we need it for. I will say Ford itself has a really good anti-theft system compared to a lot of the other manufacturers where those cars get stolen a lot more compared to Mustangs. So it does come with 2 remotes here. We're gonna go ahead and actually plug this into the ground here, and the actual ground will go ahead and plug into this one here, and that's pretty much it. And then you just wire this to a power and you're good. First off, there's a cat that got in here, stepped all over the Shelby. But we're actually messed up is we actually took out the battery. We're actually just gonna go ahead and roll this thing out. Then we'll be able to actually go ahead and fix up the 18 to get this one wired up as well. Now to add to the question, where have we been? I'll be honest, I put a lot of focus in towards the SEMA build itself. And once we got to that point, I pretty much fell off. There was just not enough time in the day to go ahead and focus on everything I really wanted to focus on, including the cars themselves. So what I actually ended up doing was focusing on 1, the job I was actually working, which was a corporate job, as well as 2, really growing TikTok and TikTok shop. The great thing is I've been able to get a lot of different things from TikTok to try out, promote, all that good stuff, including even this little battery charger right here. I actually have been pretty frequent with posting on TikTok as well as somewhat Instagram. Instagram even fell off a little bit, but mostly TikTok I was posting on. And if you guys actually aren't following me on there, I did actually already put out there that the corporate job that I was focusing on, they actually had a whole organizational restructure. I got laid off. What actually happened was the position above me, my position, and the position below me had a restructure, title changes, all that good stuff. The people below me were actually hourly, so they were pretty much safe. They actually just switched the title. The people above us got actually demoted, and because of that, they took over our positions, whatever was available and whatever was excess, AKA someone like myself, along with a lot of other people, were pretty much laid off that day. They still definitely take care of us. We're still on like an exit path, but you could also reapply for different positions in the organization. I'm pretty much in the in-between right now. I don't know what I'm going to be doing, but I did actually see this as an awesome opportunity for 1, spending time with my family, which has been amazing and a blessing. And at the same time, trying to get back to work on these cars, man, because they have been just sitting. So I should actually be okay without having to worry about the cars or anything like that, because this Shelby's actually paid off. We are making payments on the 2024. We still have a little bit more payments for the 18 before that's paid off. And as you guys know, we have the charger over here for the Mach-E, which would be here. So that one we still have actually payments on. However, to be honest with you, the gas savings alone makes up for all of that and some. I'm currently lining up some different career paths because at this point, I don't want to go ahead and just jump into a random job. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and focus, like I said, on this stuff, building content still. But at the end of the day, if I'm gonna go ahead and change a whole career path again, I definitely need to go ahead and make sure I strategize that. Now, like I said, I've been focusing a lot on TikTok shop. So because of TikTok shop, we were actually able to get thousands and thousands of dollars worth of stuff that I actually use every single day. So super thankful for that. At the same time, the commissions have been really, really nice. And honestly, I've actually been doing social media stuff for like 9 years. So I've actually done a lot of different things, a lot of different platforms, just kind of kept it going that way. More of a side hustle because I've always had passions in different career paths. So if you guys don't know, I was actually a firefighter before all of this, back when we were doing a lot of the wild stuff that we don't really do as much anymore, but we will get back to at some point. Then I actually ended up getting injured, so then I needed an office job, which is why I decided to actually go corporate. But now, like I said, I can still go back to that, or we could go ahead and just lay out the options, which is what we're doing. But seriously, look at these prints, man, all over it. Freaking cat, random stray, just walked in, literally walked all over the Shelby. Literally left the garage open for a little bit and decided to come in. There we go. So this is actually the first time this thing has been outside of the garage in quite some time. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. And that is the empty spot that was missing. But now we have all this room here to go ahead and plug that back in. A lot of people predicted once I got the house, I was not gonna have time for any other extra things. And I still made time for the other stuff like I mentioned, but for sure, having the house definitely took up a majority of that time. Not gonna lie. Slide this back on here. And let's try to start it. No, the battery is no good. We have to put it back on the charger. And of course the battery is not charged up yet, so we're gonna throw it back on the charger and should be good after that. We do actually have a main page now that's dedicated more to the car stuff on TikTok, and we also have a page dedicated to a little bit more of the casino content. On IG, we still have the main page there and the gambling page. So now with that in, we should be able just to plug this one into this sticker one here. And this is all just a test right now. We'll have to finalize it later, but at least to see if it works. So right now we pretty much wanted to get everything wired in, and then that way we can at least test it. But this is the actual remote it comes with. It actually does come with two. So now if we hit the switch here, you're going to see we have no power, nothing. We actually go ahead and turn it back on, and instant power. Seems like we're good to go. Unlock it, do all your things, and then if we want to kill it again, and just like that, we're good. So the Shelby is actually running now, but bigger problem is that shows that we are completely empty, and I know I did not park this without any fuel in it. Literally great news. I literally just pulled it in, and let me try to zoom in here, but yeah, we're actually good to go. It actually ended up fixing itself. So I knew I left it with fuel. It wasn't full tank, but I knew I had something in there. So now with the Shelby back in the garage running right now, we're good to go on that part. S550 is good to go. So the cars are back, and at this point, this is gonna go ahead and conclude the update slash when everything happened, where we've been at. The house has taken up so much time. The corporate job failed us. We're gonna go back to the scheduled programming where we're just enjoying the cars, driving them, having fun, and me sharing my experiences with y'all. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right, yeah. I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right, yeah. I can only say that it feels right.